Hello, I wanted to do a quick piano tutorial on Russian folk song, this piece in the Faber book series, the primer level. It's the purple book. This is the second edition. So in this piece, you're learning about seeing notes stepping up and down, reviewing that concept, and also seeing repetition in your music. If you look at mine, you can see I've got some extra coloring here. I've highlighted these three measures because these are going to be the same music as these three. So that means I give them the same color. This blue part is the same as this blue part. Then we have a new part, these three measures, and they're repeated over here in these three measures. Though here you're going to play softer. You start forte, and then the last three measures are piano. I encourage you to not worry about those dynamic marks until you've learned the music and can play without stopping, then try adding them in. So here we go. My right hand is on my C 5-finger scale. My left hand's going to be right beside it with my thumb on B. This is middle C, my little green star. Here we go. I'm going to play through it. 2, 1, 2. Repeat. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. Repeat, but softer. There we go. I only had 2 notes to play in my left hand, where my right hand played these 3 notes, even though all my fingers are on the keyboard. I hope this helps. Please like and share the video and subscribe, and I hope you have a good day. Let me know if you have any comments. Bye.